Right now, millions of people are chasing passive income, but the rules have changed in 2025. Traditional side hustles are still alive, but artificial intelligence has unlocked opportunities that were impossible just a few years ago. Whether you're in the US using ChatGPT to automate online businesses, in Europe building AI-driven investment strategies, or in Asia leveraging AI marketplaces for global clients, one thing is clear. AI is no longer just a productivity tool, it's becoming a wealth-building engine. But here's the catch. Most people are using AI in the wrong way. They're treating it like a shortcut for quick cash, instead of a system to build long-term, scalable passive income. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use AI tools to generate passive income streams in 2025, step by step, across multiple categories with real global examples. Passive income has always been the holy grail of financial freedom. The idea that your money, your systems, or your assets can generate cash flow while you sleep is what drives everything from real estate investing to stock dividends. But in 2025, artificial intelligence has introduced an entirely new layer to the passive income landscape. To understand this, we need to reframe what passive really means in the age of automation. It's not about doing nothing. It's about building systems once and letting them run with minimal intervention. And AI has become the ultimate system builder. Let's start with digital content creation. In the United States, creators are using AI to write, design, and produce entire blogs, YouTube channels, and even podcasts with minimal effort. For example, a US entrepreneur can use AI writing tools like GPT-based assistants to create SEO-optimized blog posts that generate ad revenue and affiliate income month after month. And while this is framed in a US context, the principle is global. If you're in the UK, Australia, or India, you can deploy the same system in your own language or niche and still tap into worldwide audiences. The key shift here is scale. AI allows a single person to run what previously took a team. Graphic design, video editing, research, and even voiceovers can now be fully automated. Now let's look at e-commerce. Dropshipping used to be a high-maintenance business with product sourcing, listing optimization, and customer service. In 2025, AI is turning dropshipping into a semi-passive machine. AI product research tools scan platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify trends in real time, identifying profitable niches. AI bots then help generate high-converting product descriptions, customer emails, and even handle customer service chat. For example, in the US, an AI tool can monitor TikTok trends to spot a viral gadget, instantly create a branded Shopify store with auto-written product listings, and plug into fulfillment networks. The same model can be replicated by someone in Nigeria, Pakistan, or Brazil with no inventory risk. Suddenly, global e-commerce becomes accessible and semi-passive at scale. Next is investing. Traditionally, passive investing meant index funds or dividend stocks. Those remain powerful, especially in the US, where the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 are benchmarks for wealth building. But AI is now being integrated into robo-advisors and algorithmic trading systems accessible to everyday investors. Platforms are using AI to optimize portfolio allocation, analyze risk, and rebalance automatically. In practice, this means you can set up an AI-driven investment account, deposit $500 or $5,000, and let the system build long-term wealth with minimal active management. And while US markets dominate the conversation, the principle holds globally. Whether you're tracking the FTSE 100 in the UK, the Euro Stoxx 50 in Europe, or the Nikkei 225 in Japan, AI-powered investing is leveling the playing field. Let's not forget digital products. Digital design tools like Midjourney or DALL-E allow you to create digital art, print-on-demand merch, or Etsy products in minutes. Imagine setting up an Etsy shop where AI continuously generates unique designs for t-shirts, posters, or digital planners. Once listed, those items can sell for years with little to no ongoing effort. The beauty is that AI can now even analyze customer feedback, adjust your product line, and optimize for trends without you manually doing the heavy lifting. A rapidly growing opportunity is in AI licensing and automation services. In the US, small businesses are paying freelancers not to design their logos, but to set up AI systems for them. For instance, a restaurant might hire someone to implement an AI chatbot for reservations or social media management. Once you build such systems once, you can license them repeatedly, turning a one-time skill into recurring income. If you're in Africa or Southeast Asia, this model is equally powerful. You can create AI chatbots, automation workflows, or content generators, then license them to local businesses who don't know how to do it themselves. Cryptocurrency and AI are also colliding in fascinating ways. AI-powered trading bots are being deployed across exchanges, scanning thousands of price points to make automated trades. While this comes with risks, disciplined traders are using these bots to generate semi-passive returns. Beyond trading, AI is also optimizing blockchain operations, mining efficiency, staking yields, and DeFi protocols. For example, staking stablecoins through an AI-driven optimizer can generate 5 to 10% annual returns without you manually managing complex DeFi dashboards. Again, while US investors have access to platforms like Coinbase, global users in Europe, the Middle East, or Latin America are finding similar solutions tailored to local exchanges. But here's the crucial mindset shift. None of these opportunities are set and forget in the first week. AI makes income streams scalable and sustainable, but you still need to build the foundation. That means choosing niches carefully, testing, and letting AI run once the system is stable. In other words, you put in 100% effort up front to eventually enjoy 90% automation later. To build lasting passive income with AI in 2025, focus on 4 pillars: diversification, automation, scalability, and reinvestment. Diversification means not relying on one AI system. Run multiple income streams, like an Etsy shop, a blog, and a small crypto bot. Automation means setting up workflows where AI does the repetitive tasks. Scalability means choosing models that can grow without you adding equal effort. Digital products, licensed systems, global e-commerce. And reinvestment means channeling profits into long-term assets, like index funds, dividend stocks, or real estate to build permanent wealth. Remember, AI is a tool, not a magic wand. If you chase trends blindly, you'll end up with abandoned projects and zero income. But if you treat AI as a force multiplier, something that turns your creative, financial, and entrepreneurial ideas into scalable systems, you can achieve real passive income. And the best part is that these models are borderless. Whether you're in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, or emerging markets, the AI revolution is global. The only difference is whether you position yourself as a consumer of AI or as a builder of AI-powered wealth systems. We're living in a turning point. 10 years from now, people will look back at 2025 as the year AI became mainstream in wealth creation. You have 2 choices: watch the wave pass by, or start building streams of income that grow while you sleep. My challenge to you is this: pick one AI-driven income stream today, set it up, and let the system teach you. Because in the next few years, the gap will widen between those who use AI casually and those who build lasting wealth with it. Don't be the person who says, "I wish I started earlier." Be the person who says, "I built my freedom in 2025."